Hey everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. So basically on this channel I'm going to be doing lots of repairs. For this first video I've had a customer send in this Nintendo Switch which she claims the Joy-Cons aren't working and there's an issue with the card reader. So I'm just going to turn it on. Can you see it on?
Yep.
She's got a lot of games on here which is quite good. I've got a game here which I'm going to test. So I'm just going to pop a... They mentioned that that their children were smacking it around. This game cartridge could not be read. Okay, so yeah, there does seem to be an issue with it. So we'll take a look at that first and then we will move on to the Joy-Cons last. They're usually the last thing I do with a console. So I'm going to just power it off and then unscrew it. So we've got 4 tri-rings. This is opening way too easy, so I'm guessing this may have been opened before. So I'm going to put the 4 tri-rings here. And then we've got a crosshead here. We've got 2 crossheads on the bottom, 1 at the top which is missing. Okay, that's worrying. That shouldn't be missing. And then we have 1 here and 1 on the rails just to get the back off. Okay, so I'm just going to do these 2 crossheads here. I'm a bit concerned about the missing screw at the top. So I'm wondering if it's been repaired before or it's just come undone, because maybe that could have happened. If it has been repaired before, I'm guessing that's the reason why the cartridge is not reading. Could have possibly been damaged that way.
But we'll find out once we've opened it.
So, what do you guys think it's going to be, huh? Very dusty. This bit shouldn't be like this, so someone's just plonked that on like that. A little foam cover. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that we now need to take out. This bit's the grueling part. It's so annoying when you just like desperately want to get into a console and you've just got to sit here and unscrew all these. So I'm just going to fast forward this bit. Okay, now the moment is awaits. Here we go, let's have a look. So I'm just taking a little look to see what kind of repair someone might have done. Because if this has been into before, then they must have replaced something. So I'm just looking under the scope. Ah, okay. The M92 has been replaced. And now it's not too much of a problem if this foam bit breaks, but if you are doing these repairs, obviously try your best not to. Like there, I've accidentally done it there. And that one I managed to get off without breaking. So I'm just taking off their NAND and I'm going to put that to one side. You want to make sure you don't lose that because it has to match up to the same console. And then I'm just unclipping all their parts. Oh no, they've rounded off this one as well. Okay, I'm just going to look under the scope, see if I can see anything. I see a bit of water here, so I'm guessing it might have a bit of water damage in it. Okay, since everything else seems to function fine and it's just the game cartridge, I'm going to test it with a different one and see if that resolves the problem. And then we'll know where to go from there. So I do have another one along here somewhere that I can test. This is a flat one, trying to get it to clip in. Okay, I've got another one clipped in. So I'm just going to turn the console on. Don't worry about the dirt, I'll clean that up. So I've got another game cartridge in, or game card reader should I say. I'm going to put the game cartridge in and see if it works. And it doesn't. Okay, so it can't be the game card reader causing it then. Oh no, oh wait, no, we got something. Okie dokie.
Okay, problem solved.
Okay, I'm just going to double check with theirs again. Because if this is the case, it costs about £50 just for this thing anyway, so I'm going to have to consult with the customer to see if that's what they want to do. Otherwise, there's no point. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of IPA just on the inside of it. It'll evaporate, don't worry. And then just clean it up a bit and see if maybe we can just clean it out and get it working that way. Go. Okay, nothing. Let's try again. Okay, yeah, still nothing. So I'm gonna have to consult with the customer first and see if this is what they want to do. Okay, just because I'm worried about my battery dying, I'm just going to put this to one side. I'm going to work on the Joycons just so I can show that on camera. So yeah, this one doesn't click in at all. You can see it should click in like this one, but it doesn't. This is going to need a replacement stick, so we'll do that now. So there's 4 tri-ring screws on the back that you want to unscrew. And then you take off the back case like this. You've got a crosshead here, and then you take the battery out, and you've got 2 crossheads here and 2 crossheads here. These 2 little ones hold the actual PCB in place. You just want to unscrew this left one and this bottom right one here. And then as you can see, here's the stick. It must have been punched or dropped or something because there's a little indent coming out here, which is why it's not clicking in. And then these 2 crossheads here then come out, and then you put a new stick in. So I'm going to leave it there, guys, just because of I'm worried about it cutting off. So that is it. It was a pretty short video, to be fair, but in this time we've been able to fix the game cartridge reader and also demonstrate on how to repair some Joy-Cons with broken joysticks. And I forgot to include an outro, but basically that was everything. I'm working on trying to change up my camera angles to make it a bit better for the viewers to be able to watch. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching my first video. I'll be working on my schedule and I'll update you as to when I'm going to post videos. So if you could please press the subscribe button to help your girl out, and comment something nice below. I'd be ever so grateful. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.